has been the king of the Android world for years, and the South Korean giant's phone lineup has something for everyone. Samsung always offers a wide range of phones, including the A series, S series, FE range, and foldables, and they're all competing for your attention, so it can be overwhelming to choose from. Fortunately, we've put the effort into testing these devices to help you choose the right one. So whether you're here for the best Android phone available or a more wallet-friendly option, there's a Samsung phone to suit your needs. Let's go! If you're aiming for a wallet-friendly yet reliable smartphone, the Samsung Galaxy A14 emerges as a standout choice in the budget category. Samsung's Galaxy series spans a wide range, but when considering value for money, the A14 shines brightly. It delivers commendable performance and boasts an impressive battery life, though like most budget phones, it does cut corners with its camera capability. The Samsung Galaxy A14 doesn't reinvent the wheel when it comes to utilize the MediaTek Dimensity 700 processor, accompanied by 4 GB of RAM and a robust 5000 mAh battery similar to its predecessor. Yet it elevates the user experience by enhancing the display to FHD+ while maintaining a smooth 90 Hz refresh rate, a notable achievement for a phone in this price bracket. Moreover, it arrives at a price point $50 less than the previous Galaxy A13 5G, offering Android 13 and One UI 5.0 right out of the box. During our evaluation, the Galaxy A14 proved its mettle. It managed to churn out respectable photos under favorable lighting conditions, handle day-to-day tasks with ease, and the battery effortlessly powered through 2 days of use. A significant advantage of opting for this model is Samsung's pledge to provide software support, promising security updates for 5 years and Android version upgrades for 2. This level of commitment to keeping the device current is rare for budget smartphones, making the Galaxy A14 an exceptional proposition. All things considered, the Samsung Galaxy A14 represents excellent value. Its combination of solid performance, durable battery life, and Samsung's reliable update policy make it an ideal choice for anyone seeking a quality smartphone experience without breaking the bank. For the listed price, we are thoroughly impressed. For those on the hunt for a smartphone that offers bang for your buck, look no further than the Samsung Galaxy A54. The device stands out in Samsung's mid-tier A series lineup, boasting significant enhancements from its previous iteration. With its sleek design, versatile camera capabilities, and impressive software support, the Galaxy A54 sets a high standard in the Android market. The Samsung Galaxy A54 is equipped with a striking 6.4-inch Super AMOLED display that brings visuals to life with its vibrant colors, FHD+ resolution, and buttery smooth 120 Hz refresh rate. This screen also reaches a peak brightness of 1000 nits, showcasing improvements that enhance its usability in various lighting conditions. Photography enthusiasts will appreciate the Galaxy A54's camera array, featuring a 50MP f/1.8 main sensor with optical stabilization, a 12MP ultra-wide sensor, and a 5MP f/2.4 macro sensor. This setup marks a departure from the previous model by eliminating the depth sensor, relying instead on the main sensor's focus pixels for depth. The result? Photos that are vivid, with excellent dynamic range and clarity, especially when captured with a main camera. Samsung has indeed infused the A54 with remarkable value, not least because it shares the same 50MP main camera as the pricier Galaxy S23. This shared component allows the A54 to produce images that stand out in its price category, with color accuracy that shows a refined approach to saturation, moving away from the overly vibrant tones seen in past models. All in all, the Samsung Galaxy A54 impresses on many fronts, delivering a premium experience at a more accessible price point. Its combination of a stunning display, capable cameras, and thoughtful design make it a top choice for anyone looking for great value in their next smartphone purchase. Thumbs up! Up next, meet the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 5, the company's best foldable device in 2024. This iteration, while not drastically altering the foldable landscape, introduces subtle yet impactful enhancements over its predecessor, the Z Fold 4. The introduction of a new chipset and a refined design that addresses previous models' design critiques mark its evolution. The Galaxy Z Fold 5 retains the premium build and water resistance that set its predecessors apart. The main attraction remains the expansive 7.6 dynamic AMOLED 2x display, boasting a resolution of 2160 6 by 18. This screen supports an adaptive refresh rate ranging from 1 to 120 Hz, optimizing battery life and offering fluid visuals for gaming and video playback. The cover display features a 6.2-inch dynamic AMOLED LED screen with a resolution of 2316 by 904, also benefiting from an adjustable refresh rate despite its less conventional aspect ratio. Camera-wise, the Z Fold 5 continues the legacy of its forerunners with similar sensor setups, now powered by a more robust Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 processor. This chipset ensures the device can handle the demanding multitasking capabilities it's known for. Additionally, the device runs on Android 13, which brings significant improvements in productivity, particularly with enhanced multi-app functionality and more intuitive gesture navigation for seamless switching between apps. Overall, the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 5 represents a fine-tuned iteration in the foldable series. While maintaining the core features that have defined the lineup, it introduces meaningful upgrades that address user feedback and tech advancements. Good stuff. A thumbs up from here. Just a quick note, if you're interested in any of the products, I've gone ahead and updated the description below with links to get you the best deals available right now, so make sure to check those out for the most current prices and offers. Introducing the Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 5 in 2024, a marvel in the flip phone segment that Samsung has meticulously crafted. This iteration marks a significant leap forward for Samsung's flip phone lineup, featuring an enlarged external screen. The enhancement allows users to navigate maps, snap pictures, and text effortlessly without flipping open the device. Coupled with its robust battery performance and durable construction, the Z Flip 5 emerges as a standout option. Mirroring the premium qualities of Samsung's flagship Galaxy S series, the Z Flip 5 showcases a vibrant 6.7-inch AMOLED display, ensuring crisp and bright visuals. It offers up to 512 gigabytes of storage, catering to all your storage needs for high-quality images and videos. A reliable 3700 mAh battery backs this, ensuring the device keeps up with your daily demands. Content creators and social media enthusiasts will find the Z Flip 5 particularly appealing. Its adaptable design supports various recording modes, such as the camcorder and flex mode, reminiscent of its predecessor, the Z Flip 4. The device also features Samsung's innovative Flex Hinge, which now enables the phone to completely fold flat, eliminating gap. The significant upgrade is noticeable on the device's external screen. Moving away from the previous 1.9-inch display, the Z Flip 5 boasts a 3.4-inch screen, ample space for interacting with multiple widgets without the need to unfold the phone. However, it's worth noting that only specific apps are compatible with this external display. Powering the Z Flip 5 is the Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 chipset, delivering enhanced performance and battery efficiency. This improvement is a welcome change, bringing the Z Flip 5's battery life closer to the average smartphone, a noticeable advancement from the Z Flip 4. This is a quality product, and all we can do is recommend. And introducing the crown jewel of Samsung's 2024 lineup, the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra, clinching the top spot as the finest Samsung phone made. The Galaxy S24 series marks a groundbreaking shift towards artificial intelligence, with the S24 Ultra leading the pack. This premium device dazzles with its innovative Galaxy AI capabilities, offering features like instant translation during calls, visual Google searches by simply highlighting an object on the screen, sophisticated AI-driven photo editing, transcription services, and a versatile chat assist tool for crafting messages in various tones. Continuing the legacy of its forerunner, the S23 Ultra, this model sports a sprawling 6.8-inch AMOLED display and is powered by a robust 5000 mAh battery. Yet, it's the advancements that truly set the S24 Ultra apart. Boasting a titanium frame that is both lighter and stronger than the previous aluminum build,